guys, welcome back. Right, today I'm going to show you how to make this beautiful wall art. Now I did want a piece of art in my lounge, but they was costing about £150, so I thought I don't really want to spend any more money. So this has actually cost me nothing to make because I've just reused or recycled all the stuff that I've got at home. Now this was just an actual piece of polystyrene, and that came from this picture here. And this was placed on the glass so the glass didn't break, so I had the polystyrene from there. The white paint I've used because it was leftover white paint, and all these little bits here is just paper, and if you can't see here, there's loads of glitter that I've put on. So if you want to know how I made this one, keep watching and I'll show you how to make it. Right, so first of all I've got my big piece of polystyrene. Now this is about 32 by 32 inches, but you can get these from craft stores or you can get them from B&Q because you can use them as insulation. So have a look there. So I've got this. Next I will need is some paper to actually make my design. Now this is just thin paper. It was extra in the Amazon box. So rather than throwing it away, which you know me, I like to recycle things and make things out of them. So I'm going to use this, and I'm just going to cut them into about 3-inch little strips. So any paper that you've got at home that you can make into a design, then you can do that. So I'm going to cut out the 3-inch strips. Next is to find the centre of your polystyrene, and I've already measured mine and I know mine's there. Next you'll need some just PVA glue and a paintbrush. We're going to PVA around here first, then we're going to get our paper, we're going to scrunch it up, and then we're going to lay it around into a nice circle pattern. Place glue along the way as you go, and keep going until you go all the way around to the edges. Now just leave to dry. So now that everything is nice and dry, and it looks really nice like this at the moment, so what we're going to do now is just paint it. Now I've just got some leftover paint. This is obviously white paint. It was left over from doing the walls actually in here. You can choose whatever paint that you've got or any paint that you've got left over. So all we need to do now is just paint it. And now just leave to dry. So I've left it dry overnight. I've given it a second coat this morning, and so while it's still wet, I've got some glitter glue, so I'm just going to emphasise all the texture all around. So I'm just going to sprinkle it round in a circle like so. Now leave to dry. Thanks for watching, and I really hope that you've enjoyed the video and it's given you a little idea on something what you could make at home, because things can cost a lot of money these days, so a really cheap option if you want some wall art. If you've liked the video, then give me a little thumbs up. If you've really liked it and you're new to the channel, then consider subscribing, and then don't forget to press that notification bell and press all, and then that will let you know when I've made my next creation.